What's the meaning of consistently? Consistently. Consistently.
Consistently. Consistently. Consistently refers to the quality of performing an action with regularity and reliability over a period of time. It implies that the action is done consistently, or in a uniform manner without any significant fluctuations or deviations from the norm. When someone performs an action consistently, they do it repeatedly, without interruptions, and with a high level of accuracy. Consistency is a hallmark of excellence, as it helps to build trust, credibility, and confidence among peers and colleagues. In short, consistency is a quality that can help individuals or organizations achieve better results, build stronger relationships, and achieve their goals more efficiently.